In the last video, we figured out that is the wave of vibe coding that you can just design a website within 5 minutes without doing any code and like stuff like that is real or not. And we came up with the output that you can build a website in 5 minutes, but you just need a great website generator. We have multiple website generators. You can say the apps that build websites by a prompt. And the second most important thing is a prompt. If you know that how to write a good prompt and you have a very fundamental, very good prompt that has all those things that are required to build a great website, you can just definitely build it in under 5 minutes maybe. That's almost what it takes. But yeah, if you don't know the right way of prompting and the website builder is not good, definitely it will be more harder for you. So overall, today we came up with the idea to just try different AI website builders and just see that from a single prompt, and we'll be using same prompt across all of those builders, and we'll see that what response we get. So what the plan is that first of all I'll ask ChatGPT. I'm gonna just do all of this stuff very quickly so that we can just get a contact that what is all about. Definitely later I'll cover it more in like explanation and everything. But yeah, for today our main focus is to just talk about, okay, so first of all we're gonna ask ChatGPT that what are the more core essential stuff that is required to make a website look very cool. And after that, copying it, we're gonna just use OpenAI's like it's for developers to just enhance the prompt. It's a very good tool. I like really loved it. By using this, we're gonna just improve our prompt and we'll have a great fundamental prompt, and we'll be using into Lovable, Replit, our Claude, and definitely our new Gemini 3 model. And we're gonna see that by single prompt, same single prompt, four different AI website builders, what response we'll get. Anyhow, so let us start with generating the prompt. Okay, so let's just straightly dive into generating the prompt very roughly, very clearly. Yeah, yo man, what's up? You are world number one website designer. You know the logic behind great websites. You are so well in designing the great websites which look so good to make customers buy and just love your brand, love your website. You are a professional UI UX designer. You know how to code, you know each and everything. You know the structure. You have built thousands of websites and you have great knowledge and great logic about websites. My goal is to build a website and I want to help. I want you to give me an entire report including all of those important stuff that should be present in a great website. Each and everything from top to bottom will start from navbar to footer and including all of the important stuff which should be there in a great website. My main goal is to design a website for a real estate company, and the real estate company works in Dubai. And yeah, it's just a medium sized real estate company that offers multiple stuff, very better. So yeah, what I'm looking for is to have a complete detailed report that how should a great top 0.1% real estate website should look like working in Dubai. Yeah, so you can see there that I just spoke for a minute, very roughly, and we're gonna just give this to GPT, our friend, and let's see what response we'll get. All right, my people, you can just see that this is an entire very gigantic report. You can see that it has covered from navbar to hero section, values, each and everything. You can see that it has covered each and everything very deeply. Like it made the points, made the heading, and we are going to cover like different sections. We have total 17 main logics on which our website will completely work. And yeah, definitely it has worked really well. What I'm gonna do is gonna just simply copy it from here, and yeah, I think that below is the full structure from top to bottom. Yeah, I think that we should copy it from here and to, yeah, we're gonna just copy it, and we'll come to here and we're gonna just first write that generate me a professional website fulfilling all of the given details. Just wrote randomly and going to just paste all those details, and we're gonna click on optimize and we'll just wait to get the master prompt. Alright, so as you can see here that we got our master prompt. It has defined the role, critical reminders, each and everything. I hope this should work. But yeah, I'm just a bit confused about this thing because the last one was more detailed, but it is like just let's see that what response we'll get. We're gonna just copy it, and first of all we have the create Lovable.dev. Just head over to here, gonna paste it, and boom, let's see what response we'll get. And yeah, since it is just working on it, what we're gonna do, we'll go to our next AI builder and just paste the same prompt so that all of those will work parallel. Yeah, so we have Replit.com. Just gonna paste the prompt and start designing. Let these AI work for us because we are human and we just need to think clearly, and some kind of like we should have the critical thinking to just see the world in a different manner. And yeah, this labor work is not ours. Oh my god, what I'm saying. Anyhow, okay, so it is just working on it. Next, no, I don't want the overview. Yeah, so next after that we have Claude. Just gonna paste the same prompt. Gonna click on like just send it over to Claude. Claude is really good. I really love Claude like more than I love like ChatGPT. I really love Claude. And then we have at last the Gemini 3, the real big hype. We're gonna make the next video on Gemini 3 specifically, that how to we can just use the maximum potential of Gemini 3. But for now, the same prompt, gonna paste it and click on build. So all of these are working together to generate websites for us, and all we need to do is just wait a couple of minutes and we'll see the magic happening here. Okay, so Claude is taking a bit of time. I don't know why, but Google AI Studio, the Gemini 3, has already started the work. To talk about, actually, we got a website almost like ready on Replit. Is just working on it and it looks really cool. On Lovable, still it is working like very effectively. Let's see, I'm very excited to see the output. But in the Claude's case, I'm kind of like nervous about this thing because I don't know why it is taking so much long to just load it. So I'm gonna just refresh the page. So let's see that if we can do anything else here. Alright, so as you can see here that Claude has already started the work. I just refreshed and just opened up the new window. Yeah, so overall it has started the work, and I'm very excited to see the result from Claude because Claude is genuinely not only good in content but as well I have personally tried it. It is so much good in the code. So yeah, just wait for a moment and let's see that how does this work. Alright, so after a long wait, finally we have got all of the responses from all of those AI builders. We got 4 websites, and let's see what they have built for us. So first of all, start with the great king of the industry, Lovable. Boom. Oh my god, you can just see the design, the sense, the spaces, each and everything. We got create logo section out here, properties, communities, developers about, contact, each and everything, book consultation button. You can just simply like make them work by just prompting it more and more. We got 2 buttons, very good. Hero section, picture hero section, 10 by 10, very awesome. As we go down, feature properties, okay, so they got you different catalogs to publish your uh, all of those property that you have to sell. Explore community, all right, cool, cool. Actually we got kind of errors on 2 images, but yeah, definitely you can just prompt it more and more, so you can fix it. Actually what I did, I just like go through all of those websites before just coming it live, and just prompted a little bit like 2 to 3 prompts more to get a better output, because yeah, you know that with a single prompt you cannot get a very best output. But yeah, I didn't prompt it so much on it, but yeah, just a single 1 or 2 prompts to make it look more presentable. Yeah, good button out there. Trusted developers, okay, so if we can have a picture in the background, that will look more cool. um, yeah, good button out here. Yeah, cool picture. Actually this was cool. Actually you can see that it generated a picture, and as well it generated the whole graphics in it. Like it just pasted the text, but it seems like that it is a complete graphic. So many graphic designer could be replaced very far. And news, but kind of bad news on the other hand. We just have to prepare for it because AI is just going crazy. We got client success stories, testimonials. Actually, this is looking very good. We can just click on each one's name. Actually, you can just see that it added Muhammad Al Rashid. So what it is doing, it just understood that okay, so we are building this for Dubai, so it adds some kind of like localization and just added a person who has the name kind of like local. You can see that Arabs names are kind of like these, and as well there are a lot of people from different areas of the world, so it added some more latest insights. We got blogs that looks very cool and premium. Yeah, and at last we got a contact section. We got a form, very beautiful form actually. This one is everything is working good. Yeah, actually what we can do here, instead of just writing L for LinkedIn and I for Instagram, you can use you can just prompt it to just use the icons here of the social particular that will look more cool, and a very beautiful footer out here. Website looks very cool. Almost just you can, if you can just spend 30 more minutes on it, it will be boom, and you can sell it for like couple of hundreds of dollars very easily, and you just made it in like 30 to 40 minutes. Let's just dive into Replit and let's see that what it had made for us. Boom, nice. The way you stay, definitely we can change it. Yeah, we got different buttons, got a hover effect that looks cool. Yeah, we got a button to just, you can just make it the content both languages in English and as well in Arabic, so that it will look good. Contact us button, hover effect that looks cool. Experience luxury livings in Dubai. Got a beautiful picture in the background as well. We got a section by which you can just search the location. You can make it working properly by just having a kind of like database and making it kind of dynamic. For the moment it is static. Yeah, just search property. Feature product looks very cool. I think that this, yeah, this emojis stuff is kind of look cartoonish, but yeah, we can just make it look good. Explore prime communities. Yeah, definitely Palm Jumeirah, Dubai Marina, all good. Actually, if you can have some kind of like more details, which is coming on the hover effect, but it should be looking as default because that will look more cool, and that do zoom effect can be shown on the hover effect. Why choose Dubai? Uh, Dubai Estate. Actually, the name is Dubai Estate. A cool name, man. How did you get that domain? That domain at least cost some kind of like a couple of $100,000. That look cool. AI can do anything else. And at last, we got the footer that looks very clean, cool. Actually, if you can just differentiate this section from the book consultation section, that will look more good. But yeah, overall, this website is kind of like very short and clear. But yeah, we can just make it improve. It's not as good as Lovable, but still it's looking good. And by just prompting again and again, you can just make it look more cool. And yeah, so it's now time to just Claude, check Claude, that what Claude have made for us. Okay, so we got, actually we can just, yeah, so if we'll be watching this on a bigger screen, that will look good, but on the other hand we have to see that is it mobile responsive or not. We got multiple stuff out there, hover effects, everything. This button is looking just like it's just a piece of garbage, you can say. Good, not that good, a lot of details, but still I think that Claude doesn't have in there like what you can say, that in the policy that you can use directly the images, but you have to provide them the images so that it will look cool in it. Actually, I'm not satisfied with Claude. I was expecting more by Claude to generate more good stuff. In actually I got a thing. First of all, yeah. Oh my god, a lot of content. Cool. Actually, you can see the greatest, the gigantic footer I have ever seen generated by an AI. That look pretty cool. So overall, my overview about Claude is that Claude has did the great work, but it is lacking on the design end, but it is so much good on the content end. That as you can see, we have a lot of content, not just the generic content, but as well we have the content with something like numbers, right? So this works a lot good, and yeah, it's okay. You can just simply read it, and just you will get the differentiation between the content generated by Lovable and between the content between, yeah, Claude. So yeah, overall good with the content work, but not good with the design. Definitely, it cannot even compete with this, right? Okay, so now it's time to check the Gemini 3, what it has built for us. Okay, the hero section is not kind of cool. You can just make it white or gray to just differentiate it. We got button, but not that good. You can make them look cool. This content agent button is working, but actually it's just showing some kind of errors. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. We got the catalogs. Image generation, no one can compete. Google's model, Gemini, you can like compete in that particular domain with Google. Multiple sections out there, not looking over cool, but yeah, actually this section is kind of better. You got a like background, and then our philosophy. That's look cool. Client stories, got testimonials, and definitely the newsletter and the footer. So overall, not like I was just expecting again. I was expecting more from Gemini's model, but I don't know why. We need to work on it, and definitely in the next video we'll be generating a great website just using Gemini 3 that will look more and more cool. But yeah, overall, if you talk about the picture stuff, the image stuff, you can see this mountain looks very cool. Anyhow, but overall, if we compare between Lovable, Replit, Claude, and Gemini 3, definitely you cannot compete with this king. It's look amazing. It's just like amazing, man. I cannot say anything. Just see this hero section, man. It's just like you'll get melt. Overall, it was a great experience to check all those AI builders. One thing I want to say here that definitely every AI builder has a different, you can say that different way of generating the website, and as well have different knowledge. So you need to understand that okay, so this AI builder needs this type of prompt and works in some kind of like this way, and this is the core. You can say that this is the core main. Power of this particular AI builder, and this is where like this AI builder is not good, and this is where it has some kind of like good output. So yeah, you can use even you can use multiple AI builders to generate one website, and you can just work on it if you have some kind of like basic knowledge about the website. Uh, if you get a website like this in under like 10 minutes, uh, it has already saved at least a work of a week for you, and you can just work on it very happily. Overall, it was a nice experience to check it out. Yeah, it's doing very good, and we are also trying to just see that what we can do with it. I'm working on it, and yeah, my main goal is to provide as much as well content and just see that what we can do with AI. I hope you like this video. If you like, you can just give a like or a subscribe. If you don't like it, uh, I don't know why, but in the next video I'll try my best to convince you to push that subscribe button. Overall, in the comment section you can tell me about that what you are looking to see in the next videos. I'm just planning out some covering up some more videos on the vibe coding stuff, but yeah, we can also cover some more. If you need some details and anything else, you can just ask me in the content section. If you're an agency and if you want to work with us directly, you'll find the link as well in the description below. Need any question, anything else, just ask me this on the Instagram, and I'm gonna reply you on that. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.